What would happen if you paused on all the action? Quit the
Wat ik zei, Uranus 500 subscribers, you guys. Hey guys, welcome. I'm so excited. Today we are doing some cleaning. 2024 is just like, but I'm so happy to be vlogging today, or at least filming somewhat for you guys. Today we're doing some cleaning. First of all, the house, guys. Okay, but we'll get into that with my voiceover. I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. Like, I knew I was close, but I was this close to just leaving the channel again for a bit to focus on some other things. But like, I feel like God has just, yeah, we've been praying, asking God what we should do, and yeah, like He has just been basically guiding me back to doing what I have to do. So I am so excited. Thank you guys for 500 subscribers. To God be the glory. You know, this channel is God's channel. We glorify, we live our lives for Him. And my prayer for now moving forward is just for me to be fully used, for God to fully use me, and for what He has called me to do on this channel, and for me to fully walk into my purpose, really truly, without being so much in my own mind. So we are going to do some cleaning, and my sis over here. Hi guys. Oh my God, guys, there's so much. No, thank you. We have so much to catch up on. 2024, guys, God has been pruning, God has been cutting, God has been shaking. Like, 2024 was one of the, we will get into it, but yeah, my sister just came this morning to help me do some cleaning because it's just a bit overwhelming. And yeah, well, I did all my work for the business, so I have a bit of time so that I can just clean today. So yeah, let's do the cleaning. I feel like it's been a while since I did a voiceover. It feels kind of weird, and I really need to get back to being consistent and getting back to doing my videos and my vlogs for you guys, because I really enjoy doing this. And you know, life can be lifing sometimes, but this is one thing I really enjoy. So me feeling like I am not getting the flow of this, it's not on. So anyway, thank you guys for being here. We decided to just tackle some spaces in our house that was a bit overwhelming. As some of you guys know, we are busy renovating some areas in the house, so it has been overwhelming. It has been hectic doing some renovations with 4 kids, with raising 4 kids at the same time, 4 kids running around in the same space that renovations is taking place. It's a bit too much, but anyway, we just thank God for what we are able to do. So I just want to say thank you again for 500 subscribers, and I just want to take this moment to welcome all the new subbies. You guys are so welcome. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. So this is the first time I'm sharing the garage with you guys, and I was so much in my own head about it, but well, we are doing it now. So I just decided to clean the garage first on this particular day, because it was a mess. It was dusty, dust all over the place, dust all over the house. And so while my husband was cleaning on the outside, me and my sister decided to tackle the garage and to just give it somewhat of a tidy.
Wacht, Vicky. Hoe kan ik het niet opzetten? Wat lach je? Ja. Wat is
And so this is why I would always call my sister. It doesn't matter where she lives. I will always call her because she just gets me. We just have so much fun together, and I just felt like, I have so much work to do. I'm going to get her to come and help me. So she moved out. She no longer lives with us. My sister lived with me for almost 12 years. I still can't believe that she moved out. It is definitely a bittersweet type of thing, but I know growth has to take place, and life is just that. We grow and we learn and we evolve and we have to move on, And so I just decided to call her to help me to come and help clean the space, because I know she's the only one that understands how I clean and how I do my cleaning. So it's always fun having to do cleaning with my sister. So we were just tackling the garage, having so much fun. She's always so playful. She's just joyful. She's a joyful human being, and so we were just trying our best to get rid of as much dust as possible. So this year was a very interesting year. And so I am so grateful for the things that God has made possible this year. But it was I can really say God has been pruning me. I feel like even now, in the very moment while I'm creating, while I'm making this voiceover, God is still busy pruning me and busy with me. I don't know, guys, 2024 has just been so challenging and yet so rewarding, yet so I can just see God's hand all over my life. And this year has been so challenging when it comes to my mental space. I've been really struggling mentally this year. I felt stuck. I felt like I am just stagnant. I felt like I am constantly like I was just out of flow, man. I was struggling even to post consistently because it was just so much. I was distracted. I was just, this year mentally was just too much for me. But in the midst of that, I just continue to pray and ask God to take me out of that cycle. So here's the garage after we somewhat tidied it, and my husband decided he's going to give it a mop. So we moved in to tackle the inside. Like I said, this year was very challenging. Even when it comes to my home, I felt like the entire year, I felt like this year my house did not feel like a home. It felt like I am just in a place or a space where I'm just sleeping and waking up. It didn't feel like home. It felt like I'm not doing the things that I want to do. I'm not growing as I wanted to. But God was taking care of bigger things, of better things. Yes, my physical home felt like it has been neglected, even though we are doing some renovations, but that wasn't the plan. I don't know if some of you, if you guys remember that I wanted to move, but God He's still doing what he's going to do. You know, like God is just God, man, and we can't do our own thing. We go by His plan. He is the author at the end of the day, and so this year was just a very interesting year. As much as it was challenging, it was so beautiful to see the things that I wrote down as my goals. Some of the biggest things God had answered, and I am just in total awe. I have no words because, you know, sometimes we look at things and we want certain things, but we are even too scared to think it's possible because it feels like it's bigger than us. And then when you put God first, He just shows you who He is. And so this year also my husband was able to leave his 9 to 5, and that was one of the things that we wanted to do and we knew we were going to do. My kids were still very young when we had that type of conversations where we discussed that he's not going to work until the age of 60 or 65, and my husband always said, I'm going to leave that dust job before I am 40. And glory be to God, guys, my husband turned 35 this year any longer, and he does not have a 9 to 5 anymore. I'm not saying it's easy being an entrepreneur, having your own business. It's a very spiritual thing. There's no guaranteed salary that comes in monthly, so you are really dependent on God, and your faith, man, is being tested so much. And so I'm just grateful that God, some of the things that I wrote for my 2024 goals, God has answered some of the biggest things. Us having our own business, being able to work together from the comfort of our home while raising our kids. Because the thing is, with the 9 to 5, my husband always came home and I felt like he is always exhausted. You know the story of having a 9 to 5, and glory be to God, I never had a 9 to 5. I am entrepreneur by heart. 9 to 5 is not for me. I'm not against it, but it's just not for me. And I'm grateful that I prayed all these years while raising my children, God, give me something that I can do from home while being present for them, but I want to be able to provide at the same time, and God is making that dream a reality. I'm just so grateful that what God is making possible this year. I have seen, I'm grateful for what He had made possible this year, and I'm also even so excited for 2025 because I know He's going to do even more beautiful things. He's just pruning me and showing me who I am and whose I am, and I just want to be able to come on here and encourage my mommies, encourage my woman. Not that the man is not important, you are important as well, guys, you know this, but I just have a special place in my heart for encouraging our woman, because at times we feel so down and out and we forget that we are supposed to be the watchman over our home. So if we are tired and if we feel attacked, then the devil can just easily come and do what he wants to with our family. If we are not prayed up, if we are not nurturing those kids, feeding those kids, making sure that they are fine, then the devil will just come and do his thing. We are just leaving an open door for him to just come and do his thing. So I really love you guys, and I'm so grateful that God is giving me an opportunity to be able to build a community. I also just want to ask that you guys would keep me in prayer. Just pray that God would just strengthen me so that I can be able to do this and build a business at the same time, because God is showing me what I have to do, but some days I am just so tired and exhausted where I can't even pray, and I know there's so many of us. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Thank you for being here until the end. Keep safe, keep on being prayed up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay.
stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. I don't really wanna stay. I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know. Can we get it together?